Hi, I'm Lauren from Kids Create, and today I'm going to show you a classic origami figure, the fortune teller. The fortune teller is really easy to make, so I'm going to show you two ways to make it. One with a really easy, fun pad of paper from Target, and another just the normal paper way. So let's get started. So this fortune teller will be very easy, just like the pad of paper one, but I'm going to be making a normal one. So what you will need is a coloring utensil, any choice. I'm using gel pens, some scissors, and a piece of paper. So let's get started. So what you are going to do first is you're going to turn your paper, so the smaller side is on the top, and I'm going to curve it all the way down so this is touching the side. Because we need a square, I'm just going to cut this rectangle off the bottom. Okay, now that I cut it off to the bottom, we can put this stuff aside, and I'm going to show you how to fold it. First, you're going to fold it upright so it's a triangle, and fold it into a triangle the other way. Now, you're going to put each of your corners into the middle, into the center. So it gets into a smaller square. This kind of looks like a letter, and you're just going to fold the top in. And then you're going to flip it over, and we're going to fold this side into these little, like, square outlines. Okay, there we go. Now, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to just fold it one way, and we're going to fold it the other way so we can get it, bendable so we can make it into one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our fingers right here into these little squares, and this is where you're going to play with it. And you're trying to just push in, and you have yourself a fortune teller. Now, you're going to get your gel pens or whatever thing you're using, and we're going to open it back up. And on these right here, we're going to write numbers. So I'm going to use red, and I'm going to write 1, 7, 14, 13, 12, I guess, 11, 9, 5, 3. Now you're going to open one side up and write your fortune. I have a good one. Okay. You don't have to copy this, but you can write whatever you want. You will step in dog poop. There. Now make different fortunes and repeat that to each flap. Remember, they should be silly and funny. Okay, so now that I've finished my flaps, I'm going to flip this around, and I'm going to pick 4 different colors. So I'll do this like tan, this blue, this neon yellow, and actually this one will be hard to say what name it is, so I'm going to trade that for an orange, and this green. So remember that these colors should not be super long names because you have to spell them out. I'm just going to color a circle of each one on the thing, and then you're ready to play. So now that I'm finishing up my yellow, you can when you guys are finished too, you can play. So since you guys probably are thinking, is it really this fun? I'm gonna bring someone in so you can know how fun it is. Nora, you wanna play?
4 colors here, Nora. Which one do you want?
Green.
Green. What number?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more number.
4.
14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so now you have to pick one last number. 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
You mean 12?
Oh, you want a 12?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta open it. You will step in dog poop.
For real?
Yeah. The fortune is always correct.
Really?
Go.
It's time for a truth or dare fortune teller. True. Have you ever fallen asleep in class? Okay, so fortune teller number 2, I have this More Than Magic paper. There's a link down below for one just like this. So I've already took the plastic off, but let's look what's inside. So there's 75 different sheets. There's 75 sheets and 5 different kinds. I really like fortune teller paper because there's already creases on it. It's very colorful, and all you have to do is fold it, and you have like animals and things already on it. So I'm gonna do this one. So I'm just gonna take it apart, and let's start folding. Okay. The first thing I'm gonna do is flip this over and fold it into a triangle twice. This is the same thing we did with the last one, just with different kinds of paper. And it's already cut into a square. Now I'm just gonna take them and fold them into the middle. And they come together perfectly. Did you know fortune tellers are also called cootie catchers? Okay, so now, I always forget this part, so I'm gonna redo this. You're just gonna fold twice, this side and the other side. Stick your fingers in and push it in. Get that middle. Beautiful. And you have yourself a fortune teller. So this one, you would go shooting star. You would say that you go SHOOTINGSTAR, and then you can pick. But in them, you can write your own fortune. I had a ton of fun making these fortune tellers, and I really liked the different varieties you can get. Make sure to check out those that fortune teller paper down below. Leave a comment if which kind you're gonna try first, and like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.